In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use the extension Stylus on Firefox. If you're looking to personalize your browsing experience by applying custom styles to websites, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step from installing the extension to styling a specific website. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, make sure you have Firefox open on your device, as this is the browser we'll be working with. Now navigate to a very useful website, addons.mozilla.org. Once you're there, you'll want to search for the add-on called Stylus. An easy way to get there quickly is by heading directly to the extensions page. Once you've landed on the Stylus page, you'll see an option to install it. Look for the button that says Add to Firefox. Give it a click, and you'll see a prompt asking if you're sure you want to add Stylus. Go ahead and confirm by clicking Add. With Stylus now installed, it's time to put it to use. Open up a new tab and visit any website you'd like to customize. For our example today, we'll use Wikipedia, so type wikipedia.org in your address bar and allow the page to load. Now, direct your attention to the top of your Firefox browser, where you'll find the Stylus icon nestled among your other extensions in the toolbar. Give that icon a click. This will open a little window that allows you to interact with the extension. Here's the exciting part: writing or applying a theme. You'll be presented with several options, but we'll focus on customizing for a specific site. Choose the option Write Style for this URL. This is where you can insert your unique touch of style by typing or pasting some CSS code. For the sake of this demonstration, let's say you want to create a dark mode with blue links for your browsing session on Wikipedia. Once you've crafted your desired CSS, it's important to give your newly created style a name that makes sense. This helps keep things organized, especially if you create multiple styles in the future. When you're ready, click Save to apply your changes. Now, let's see it in action. Head back over to your Wikipedia tab. Go ahead and refresh the page, and voila! The content should now appear in dark mode, with the links elegantly transformed to a soothing shade of blue. If everything's looking just right, congratulations! You've successfully used Stylus to style a website to your liking. Remember, Stylus opens up a world of possibilities for customizing your online experience. Feel free to explore and experiment with different styles on a variety of websites. Thank you for joining me today, and happy browsing!